Okay, so we're on the ADDC, and we want to go ahead and finish configuring our DHCP. So we'll come over here to the left to DHCP. And then we'll do IPv4. And we're going to do a new scope, and we'll call this clients. This will be our clients, and we'll start them at 10, 10, 10, 20, and we're going to end that scope at 10, 10, 10, 99 because we've statically assigned we've statically assigned 1, 2, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then we've statically assigned 100. We are going to set the subnet mask to match, and we're going to not really need to exclude. Now we could exclude those that we have already assigned, but since our scope is small enough, it doesn't really affect that. We can set our lease time to 8 days, and we can go ahead and configure those. Now we also want to be sure that the default gateway gets passed to the machine. So 10, 10, 10, 2 is our default gateway, and then addc.netwexp.com at 10, 10, 10, 10. We want that to be added. Let me remove that second option there, the second time it come on. We'll do next. We don't need to worry about WIN servers. We would do that if we were using some machines that were really old. And now we have a new scope, and we should be able to close this and close that. Now, one of the things that we need to do is make sure that VMware Fusion isn't handing out addresses. And we actually had set it up in VMnet 2, and we told it to provide addresses via DHCP. So what we're going to do, well, we have to click the unlock here. And what we will do is we'll be sure that this is turned off, okay? And then we want to start our Windows 10 machine back up. Now our Windows 10 machine should still have connectivity because it does have a statically assigned IP address. Ignore that message. And let's go ahead and go back in. Now we can come down here and open the Network Sharing Center. We can change adapter settings. We can go to Ethernet 0 here. We can go to Properties. Now currently we should have IPv4 set to use this particular address. What we're going to do now is we're going to click this to obtain the IP address automatically and the DNS server automatically, and we'll do close on that. And then we'll open a command prompt. and we'll do an ipconfig/all. Things we did not do here is likewise change this here. So let's change this on the network adapter here and put it in this private one. Now, we can see here that this is getting 10.10.10.20. 20 is the very first first address in our scope. And we're also getting the correct subnet mask and the correct default gateway. So now we know that this machine is actually getting its DHCP address not from VMware Fusion, but actually from that particular, the ADDC. And that will do it for this video.